Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to make vegan Worcestershire sauce, okay? And I'm just gonna keep it there so every time I have to say it, I'll just point to it, okay? Now, the reason you need vegan Worcestershire sauce is because the regular has anchovies in it, and anchovies are little fish. And since vegans or plant-based or whole food plant-based people don't eat meat, then we have to make our own. Okay? This is how I start. This is a recipe that I just kept massaging and playing with, and this is what I came up with, and I think it tastes okay. But it's a condiment. So usually at the end of my videos, I taste it. I'm not tasting this, okay? And it doesn't taste that great. It's not like it's ketchup or something. Okay, start with a half of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm using this small container I got as an accessory to my Vitamix because who wants to pull out that great big container? Okay, so I'm gonna pour everything in here, blend it up, and let you see it. And then 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce or tamari. That's what I put in here. I did a little mixture of both. I'll put the ingredients below. And because there's some stuck on the sides, you know what I'm gonna say. Get it all. All those little drippies, put them in there. Next, 2 tablespoons plain old water. And really, well, there's a couple of more liquid things, but the next is 3 tablespoons of date paste. Now, if you want to use a different sweetener, play around with it to see, but date paste is very sweet and it's a whole food plant-based item. So just put in a full tablespoon of that. I would lick it, but I'm not gonna because it's delicious. 2 teaspoons of molasses. And I don't use any special kind of molasses. I just use, I think it's old grandma's or something. That's what it's called. So put that in. And now come the spices. 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/4 of a teaspoon of mustard powder. You need 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and you need something to kind of make it a little bit thicker because this is very watery. So I chose to put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. If you have a problem with xanthan gum, then you can use whatever thickener you want, but you don't need much. So I only used 1/8 of a teaspoon of both cinnamon and xanthan gum. In it goes. And the last is 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and that is everything. So I'm going to put the lid on. You could use a NutriBullet. You just have to hold this up to make sure that the gasket is straight. Otherwise, when I'm making this, it's going to just flow all over the place. So it looks straight. Looks pretty good. If you have a high-powered blender, you really don't have to do it that long. And find yourself a little jar. I'm not sure what came in this. It might have been tamari or something, but I cleaned it out. And this is what I'm going to put my whoosh in, okay? You need a funnel. Okay, so in it goes. See, it has kind of a thick consistency. Last time I get to say this in this video, but you got to get it all because the sides, you see how cloudy they are? I'm getting all that stuff out of there. But that's how much it makes when you blend it all up. And the reason it's so much more than just, it's a little bit more than a cup with all the spices and liquids and stuff after you put in the apple cider vinegar. But use this. It won't be super dark, but this is as dark as it gets. And but use it as you would any other in any recipe, okay? This was fun for me to do, and I hope that you will use it and make it and use it, and then you'll have your own. Now, it is on the market. You could buy this by somebody else, but if you make it yourself, you'll know exactly what's in it, right? So that's the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will make your own vegan whenever you get the chance, okay? Bye for now. Except before I say bye for now, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. Don't forget to leave me some comments below, and as I said, I will put the recipe below. Don't forget to moku mushroom jerky, delicious. You get 15% off. Don't forget to go there and get it if you use Berta 15 at their website. I'll also put that below. You can get your 15% off of the whole order. So don't forget to do that either. And don't forget to go to the Amazon store. How's that? I'm tired and it's time for me to go. So don't forget to make this recipe and enjoy it and let me know what you think of it, all right? So Berta J is signing off now and saying hello and goodbye at the same time to all of my troopers, because without you, I would not be able to do what I do and be able to reach so many people. I thank you guys so much. So until next time, bye for now.